Hi, hope you are spending your vacation fruitfully. Many of the teachers have given you several exercises and lessons. So please make use of your time very well. Uh, you have plus two students have a paper for general studies. There are 6 chapters included in the general studies paper, which is a continuation of what you have already done in plus one class. So the sections are the following. Number one, it is science and society. Number two, contemporary problems of Indian society. Section 3 is about the cultural heritage of India. Number 4, India's freedom struggle. And the fifth section deals with the constitutional values. And the last, number 6, is human rights. So you can understand these sections or these portions are taken from the wide spectrum of life. These are very crucial topics and it will help your general understanding. Even though you are science students, you need to study other important aspects of our life. So, as I said, the first section deals with science and society. How science impacts the life of the common man and the life of the humanity at large. So you can easily find out so many areas in which science is having a huge impact on human life and situations. Can you imagine life without the help of science? So we always think of the great discoveries about the space travels and rocket engineering and the biomedical engineering, which we talk about a lot these days. See, you can one by one you can analyze the great contributions given by scientists to society. But at the same time, you have to weigh it on the balance and see the pros and cons, see the merits and demerits of scientific advancement. Is everything good in science? So science is good like every other knowledge, but it becomes good when you use it for the common good. Otherwise, it can be dangerous. So, with the scientific knowledge, you can make even a nuclear bomb, and we have plenty of the nuclear bombs which can destroy the whole world. So, what is the use of that kind of scientific knowledge? This is what we have to understand very well. But we cannot think for a moment of our life without the help of science. So nowadays, you see how science is dealing with the coronavirus situation. So many car companies and so many pharmaceutical companies are designing new methods to combat the COVID situation. Car companies have started manufacturing ventilators. Thousands of ventilators we need every day. So we have seen even students, science students coming up with so many new equipment which can be of great help in the hospitals and in the families where we keep the patients. So you just think of the ways and means in which science can impact the society. Without scientific spirit, life can be miserable. There can be so many myths and superstitions which always science will combat. Otherwise, society will be led by people who don't have the basic knowledge of science, and they can lead the people as they wish. But of course, science will try to answer such superstitious issues and questions posed by people without much knowledge of science. Science is always rational. It promotes rational thinking. It will not promote irrational or superstitious thinking. So you just think of the ways in which science can be a boon, and also the ways in which science can be harmful. Science can have harmful effects upon the society. So this first chapter deals with all these issues, and since you are science students, this can embellish your knowledge. This will only add to your knowledge of science. Thank you.